For our plink and ball section, we have our normal lighting and audio sides here, as well as the player speed that can be controlled on the plink itself, of which you can use either one or two hands. And these ramps that you see here, they can either be used to increment or decrement by singular values. So you can either tap it like this, or you can also shake it to increase consistently. And then you can also set them up to be held down in the case that we can see for the Y rotation here. You can hold those down, and then the buttons work how you'd expect. So you can either hold them down or they can be toggled. For example, I am toggling the audio playback here, and that is how our plank and ball works.
Welcome to my scene. As you can see, we got the mirror here, and we have our side of the mirror where we can kind of select with things, like if we can turn the lights on and off. If I select the door, it'll leave the scene. If we go over here, we can kind of do odd things in the mirror, like change the color of the lights, make everything creepy, like you're haunting yourself. We could, if we select the thing, we can change it to night, and then we can change it to like evening here. And you can kind of tell from the lights up here that it's evening, not morning. So if we go to the door, it'll reset everything. Like if we, for say, change the lights, change it here, then it'll reset everything, which is kind of an odd interaction with the door in the mirror. And then if I select it here, it'll move to the next scene.
A quick demo on immersive UI. Here we have a dial. This changes the scene lighting, or in this case the time of day. This dial on the fridge changes player speed. Turn to the right increases speed greatly. Turn to the left decreases speed down to 0 if you wanted for some reason. And then finally we have song playing in the scene and changing the slider. One last thing, someone in class noted that it might be handy to change your height. If you have different users have different heights using the headset, this will allow you to change your height in real time just by adjusting the slider. And that's it. Thank you.
Okay, so this is our archery scene. These you can pick up the instructions and it explains the controls. But yeah, so you grab the bow, you pull back the notch, and that target that is aiming at right now controls the volume of the scene, and it corresponds to like the closer you get, the higher the volume. And yeah, so that controls volume, and then this target controls the brightness of the scene. And then finally, this final target is used to switch between scenes.